Anyways, let's see what made the Intense 5. Queen Bee broke the record for the most Grammy wins of all time. She now has 32. Hobby wasn't pleased though that she lost to Harry Styles for Album of the Year, and he didn't keep quiet about it. I wouldn't either, but hey. Burna Boy fans aren't too happy with Diddy. They claim that after Burna didn't take home a Grammy, Diddy was throwing shade on Instagram. The post was deleted and Diddy says he was hacked. Should we believe him? Lali says he's a single man. This comes after his very publicized breakup. Lali took to Instagram Live to speak about his relationship, but you know, Lali just gonna hold it. Riri says she has loads planned for the Super Bowl. Rumor has it that there's going to be a full Caribbean invasion. I can't wait. Sean Paul, Shaggy, maybe coffee. And finally holding the spot this week, Kabaka Pyramid won the Reggae Grammy. My glad bag boss. I'm so happy for him. I can only imagine how his mom must have felt. That's so awesome. Big up to all the nominees though. Jamaica won. Okay? That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Follow us on Instagram for the latest in entertainment.